Okay, so let's focus again on our focusing question for your literary argument essay. So, our focus question is here. How does Bud use his rules to help him to survive or to thrive? So, my first question is, how are you going to decide which side to argue? So, take a moment, think about that. How are you going to decide which side to argue? The next question, what steps do you have to take in order to answer this question? How does Bud use his rules to help him to survive or to thrive? So, what steps do you have to take to answer this question? So, take a moment and think about that one. Okay, so our first question, how are you going to decide which side to argue? First, you may want to pick a side. Say you're going to write about um, Bud's rules help him to survive. So you need to pick a side, and then you need to find evidence to support it. And so those evidence pieces will come from the three rules that you have to select. Also, before you choose a side, you should look at each of the rules and their resources and consider the evidence. So if you go back and you can look at your chart, but also go back through the text and look at evidence to help support the rule. So that will help you decide too, because some rules may have more resources or more um, pieces of evidence within the text to help support that rule. So that's something that you may want to think about when considering it. Also, determine how Bud used his rules and whether, again, they helped him to survive or thrive. So that's going to be the first part of your assignment, thinking about which one you want to use and the steps that you're going to take to present your argument and to establish, your claim and supporting evidence.